YouTube? I'm back with another YouTube video, and today, as you can see by the title, I will be making some slime. And this is one I made earlier, but of course you will need a container, something to mix with, Elmer's liquid glue, baking soda, and food coloring if you want it, optional. And slime activator, I am using contact solution. So let's go ahead and get into the video. First, start off with your glue in your container and pour your glue in there. I actually used a half a bottle. Well, it's only a little bit of glue here because I used most of it for this slime, but that is okay. And a little trick that you could do when you still have a little bit of glue in a bottle, you could take water, but I use contact solution. Put a little bit of contact solution on it. Put the top on. And shake it up. Can't hear anything, but oh, it was literally no contact solution in it. That should be good. Shake it. And see if it comes out. Okay, so it's, oh, there we go. Ah, there you go. Okay, and we're gonna use a little bit of this glue. I'm not gonna use the whole thing. I'm just gonna use it. There you go. I don't want to make a lot. I say I don't want to make a lot. I don't want to use all the glue. And now take your baking soda and pour a little bit. Literally a little bit. I'm gonna use it. Now stir it up until you cannot see the baking soda anymore. Oh. Okay, and now you're going to take your food coloring. I'm using this yellow and orange. Hopefully it turns out to be like a yellow or orange. And I literally only put one drop. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's right there. So let's stir this up. See how this goes. Let's see, hello. Okay. And now let's add some contact solution, a little by little, or if you pour a lot in one time, it will get like hard and tough. So you just pour a little bit in at a time and just stir it up. Alright, see. Right, this is the yellow slime. It's a little runny, like, literally, look at this. Okay, I'm going to call this banana slime. It's just literally the color of a banana. And yeah. Just be making more slime as I get more glue.